This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, place the watch on its charger and confirm battery is at least 50% or stay plugged in. Once done, keep the paired iPhone unlocked and nearby so you can confirm any prompts quickly. Make sure you know the Apple ID and password tied to the watch because activation lock prevents reuse without them. This early prep prevents interruptions. Do not skip the charger or credentials, since hard reset will remove data, but not the activation lock itself. You press and hold the digital crown and side buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once the Apple logo appears, release both buttons and let the watch reboot. Do not disconnect or try to force another action while it restarts. If the device stays unresponsive or freezes, make sure it remains on the charger and repeat the exact button hold. Charging stabilizes power and often lets the reset complete. This hard reset forces a restart and clears temporary. After the watch restarts, you follow the on-screen setup steps and sign in with the original Apple ID if prompted. This unlocks the device after the hard reset. If activation lock appears, you must enter the Apple ID credentials or remove the lock from iCloud. Otherwise the watch stays unusable. If the reset repeatedly fails or the watch won't boot, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. One troubleshooting tip: try the procedure while connected to a stable charger. Power issues often cause interrupted resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.